Hey there, Livegood, the fastest growing subscription business, is looking for affiliates worldwide. I'm just thrilled to tell you that you don't have to do selling, not even buy anything, or even do a lot of recruiting. Not even a quota. It's a share and earn business that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. Are you familiar with membership clubs? It's like sharing the benefits of it, but better. All you need to do is to subscribe for only $9.95 a month and pay the one-time affiliation of $40. You'll get an amazing discount up to 75% to all Livegood products with the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help your family stay healthy and save money. You'll also get the tools, systems, websites, videos, trainings, everything you need to help you earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. As an affiliate, you'll definitely love the simple yet lucrative ways to earn here in Livegood. And we have 5 ways to earn. First, this will jumpstart your day. The weekly fast start, because you'll get $25 from every successful enrollments you will get. That's a whopping 50% commission. So if you get 2 enrollments, then you'll get your money back. That's a guarantee. Plus, you'll get a bronze rank position wherein you can earn potentially up to $4,000 per month. And if you get 3 affiliates, then you'll have a chance to rank up to diamond level and earn up to $16,000 per month. How'd you like that? Second, the monthly matrix commission. This will excite you. This is where you get 2.5% monthly profit from every affiliate who pays under you $9.95 every month. Build your team fast, because the faster you build, the faster you will earn. As more people join Livegood every week, this will make every month exciting. Are you ready for it? This will make you fire up the matching bonus. Because every end of the month, not only you'll get your monthly commission, you also get an enormous 50% commission from every direct affiliate who earns from their monthly matrix. So, if you have 10 direct affiliates who earns $1,000 a month, then you'll get $500 each. That's another $5,000 on top of your own monthly commission, meaning the more direct affiliates you have, the higher monthly income you can earn. Unbelievably amazing, right? This will always fill up your wallet. Fourth, of course, the retail and influencer bonus. You can also earn from retail sales up to 100% between the member's price and retail price based on your sales per month. This is optional if you want to maximize your membership. Hey, future millionaire, did you get my referral link? Don't forget to message me before we end this presentation with last but not least, the Diamond and Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Nowhere else to go but up, and earn up to 2% from the total sales and membership of Livegood. This will be shared by the Diamond and Crown Diamond Rank members and will be given at the end of each month. Cool, right? All of these will be yours if you fill out this form. Get the referral link of the person who showed you this video, reserve, and get your subscription started before anyone else. Because in the next 24 months, millions of people will get their subscriptions started. Fill out this form. Don't just watch us. Be part of our team. Be part of the most exciting company. Livegood. Start your Livegood journey. Scan my QR code or get my referral link to get started. See you soon.